matcha, anyone? What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Hello if you're new. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. We're posting every single day this summer 2025. These dunks were actually a special drop from Yuto Horigome, and they are honestly to die for. Don't worry, I'm gonna give y'all a whole bunch of close-ups. The bottom has like a nice like sprinkled effect, and this kind of reminds me like strawberry, like a strawberry matcha or something. So I think that's super cute. There's like little specks actually all on like the bottom, and even like here on the sole of the shoe is just honestly so cute. I have yet to actually wear the shoe because I don't know if y'all are like me, but when you get really nice shoes that are like limited drops, do y'all like to actually wear them out? Because I feel like I don't want to wear them out. I want to keep them crispy and new. So even though I got these like 3 or 4 months ago, I still have yet to wear them. But my husband actually also has a pair, and he can vouch. He says that the shoes are super duper comfortable because they are Nike SBs. So he said because they're SBs, they're made more for skating, and that they're super comfortable. He was walking around Mexico in these. He was in the mall with these. Like, he genuinely feels like they're comfortable, that they have a lot of cushion, and you can even see the cushion on the actual inside of the shoe, like here. So there is cushion, and it does feel really like comfy inside. This is like the inside of the actual shoe. I will put in a clip of me also wearing the shoe just so you can see what they look like on. I know y'all love these shoe videos, so I'm going to keep it consistent with the rest of my other videos, and I'm gonna give y'all the dates of these shoes. So the official colorway is actually the Asparagus Legion Green LT Khaki DK Loaded Sesame Burnt Sierra. I can see why they called it Matcha for short. It's the Nike SB Dunk Low Matchas, okay? It was released March 2025. That's when I got them. It says, since his ascent from local parks at the plazas of Tokyo, Yuto Horigome has showcased top shelf skill and calm under pressure worldwide on the biggest stages of skateboarding. He's doubled down on dominance, but for Yuto, nothing can replace the comforts of home. For his second dunk colorway, I didn't even know he came out like original, the first pair. Remind him of the rich story and ritual of his favorite drink. I love matcha too, and genuinely, I was gonna do this whole thing of like I had a matcha while I was talking about the matcha dunks, but I ran out of freaking oat milk. Freaking oat milk! I actually have a matcha can, so, and it's just straight up matcha. So I'm actually just gonna take a sip on camera. So technically I'm still drinking matcha, even though I really wanted to do a whole thing with like a matcha latte. Cheers. Oh, it comes with pink and gray laces. I forgot. I will show you that as well. It says that it's inspired to take the classic skateboarding silhouette, inspired by the shades of green found in matcha. The sneaker blends with earthy tones across premium suede and leather upper. So that's cool. Deep Legion green and burnt sienna accents add contrast, while light khaki base keeps the design rounded and wearable. Designed with the skaters in mind, it features a padded collar for extra ankle support, durable rubber outsole for superior grip, and responsive cushioning for impact protection. Whether you're hitting the skate park or just looking for a unique colorway, this Dunk Low offers style and performance in equal measure. That's great. Amazing. Okay, cool. So that's the details that I have for y'all about the matcha dunks. I'm super happy with my purchase, and if you're honestly thinking about buying them resale, I say do it, because look at how beautiful these freaking shoes are. Like, they are, I genuinely have never seen a shoe this color. Like, to call it matcha, it was perfect because they genuinely look like matcha. Bruh. It smells like a new shoe, but I just, yeah, I love it. I love it, and I think that you'll love it, especially if you're a fan of SBs or you're a fan of like just skate shoes or Nikes, or just a fan of the color green. Be warned, This is actually a part of the design, so I thought that I messed up the shoe, but it's actually supposed to be that way. Like, there's supposed to be splotches of like a darker brown on the suede, so you didn't mess up your shoe. Don't freak out if you see that. I'm gonna go grab the laces and then we'll wrap up. So these are the laces that you get. You get the original like gray pair that goes very well with like the regular suede, and then you get this like pink pair, which kind of reminds me of like a strawberry matcha or something. Like if you put it on, I feel like it would definitely give strawberry matcha. So I think these are super cool. I unraveled these already because they were actually tied to the shoe. But yeah, the matcha is super cool. I think they're amazing. I love SBs. I love Dunks. So if you were looking for some new shoes, you like the colorway, I think the resale isn't that bad either. I paid $135 for retail, and the resale is actually $159 on StockX, so that's not bad. So they're definitely not like a crazy expensive, crazy limited edition type shoe. They were limited edition, but you know what I mean. There are some shoes that like you try to buy, resales $1,500. So you know, if you want these, they're still relatively good priced. So let me know what y'all think. Are you gonna buy these shoes? Do you like the way the shoes look? Also, I got mine in a women's 7.5, I think. No, I got them in a men's 6. So yeah, women's 7.5. Thank y'all so much for watching. I can't wait to see what y'all think about the shoes and about this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will catch y'all in the next one. We're posting every single day this summer 2025, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.